Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the best citrus trees you can grow in containers. Perfect for your balcony or patio, these trees not only give you delicious fruits, but also look fantastic with their lush foliage and scented flowers. Let's get started. Number 1. Kumquats. First up, kumquats. These little fruits look like mini oranges but come with a twist. You can eat them whole, skin and all. The skin is sweet and the pulp is tart, making for a unique flavor experience. Kumquats thrive in warm summers and chilly fall-winter nights. They're hardy and can even handle a bit of frost, but bring them indoors if it gets too cold. Varieties like Fukushu, Meiwa, and Tavares Limequat are great options to consider. Number 2. Lemons. Lemon trees are a classic choice. They love warm subtropical climates and coastal areas and can produce fruit year-round. The Improved Meyer lemon is perfect for container gardeners in temperate zones. It's disease-resistant, sweeter, and has thinner skin. Plus, it can thrive indoors during winter without sacrificing fruit production. Sungold and Variegated Pink are other fantastic varieties with their unique variegated leaves. Number 3. Mandarins. Mandarins, including clementines and tangerines, are sweet, usually seedless, and easy to peel. They grow well in full sun and warmth. If you're in a cooler climate, protect them from cold drafts and low temperatures. Clementines are particularly sweet and juicy, while tangerines offer a slightly more tart flavor. Number 4. Oranges. For those of you in hot summer areas, oranges are a must. They need plenty of heat to produce their sweet, slightly tart fruit. Varieties like Washington, Robertson, Tarraco, and Travita are excellent choices, each with its own unique flavor and growing requirements. Number 5. Sweet limes. Sweet limes are popular in the Asian Pacific and Middle Eastern regions. They're juicy, sweet, and non-acidic, making them perfect for fresh juices. These trees are short and great for containers, growing no taller than 6 to 7 feet. They thrive in warm climates with plenty of sun. Number 6. Dwarf Beer Seedless Lime. Another excellent choice for containers is the Dwarf Beer Seedless Lime. The fruits are larger, ripen in winter through early spring, and are perfect for beverages and cooking. This tree looks stunning with its dark green foliage and grows up to 3 to 6 feet in pots. Number 7. Kaffir. Kaffir lime trees are famous for their aromatic leaves and tangy fruit, used widely in Southeast Asian cuisine. These compact trees grow up to 2 to 5 feet tall in pots and are perfect for home chefs and urban gardeners. Number 8. Australian Finger Lime. The Australian finger lime produces unique finger-shaped fruits that are fantastic for drinks, sauces, and chutneys. These trees can grow up to 20 feet in the wild, but stay around 4 to 7 feet tall in pots. They're hardy and can thrive in harsher climates. Number 9. Wakiwa Tangelo. The Wakiwa Tangelo is a hybrid that looks like a pink grapefruit and tastes like a sweet tangerine with a hint of grapefruit. These trees grow up to 3 to 6 feet tall and are great for containers. Number 10. Yuzu. Finally, we have the yuzu, a Japanese citrus known for its tartness and aromatic flavor that holds up well in cooking. These trees grow up to 4 to 6 feet in pots and are exceptionally cold hardy, surviving temperatures as low as 5 to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Tips on growing citrus in containers. Number 1. Choosing the right pot. Pick a pot at least 18 inches tall and wide with thick walls. Glazed ceramic pots are ideal. Number 2. Repotting. Repot your citrus trees every 3 to 5 years and gently root prune. Number 3. Watering. Water regularly so the soil only briefly dries out between watering, especially in summer. Number 4. Pruning. No need to prune much, just remove dead or diseased branches. Number 5. Fertilizer and soil. Use a high nitrogen liquid fertilizer from February to November. If your leaves turn light green with dark veins, you might need to acidify your potting soil. Number 6. Harvesting. Let the fruit ripen on the tree. Taste the fruit to check for ripeness, as rind color isn't always an indicator. Citrus trees are a fantastic addition to any container garden, providing beauty, fragrance, and delicious fruit. Whether you choose kumquats, lemons, mandarins, or any of the others, you'll enjoy the rewards of growing these versatile trees. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you next time.